drive, I talk.
Okay, just tell me to shut up.
Okay, so we're in the car and we're gonna
That's
go
what I
look for a
said.
car.
Yeah.
Because I have to crop that part and start it. I'm just kidding. Are we buying a car? Because David needs one.
Oh, and my wife wants one.
Sophia's asleep behind. She's so tired.
You want to see that?
Yeah.
I need one and you want one.
I don't really want one.
Oh, you don't?
I want a Porsche.
Now 2 by 8.
No. No. Maserati. Okay, so guys, we're here. We're gonna go look for a new car because our car is damaged.
Why? What happened?
What happened?
You still running with the car, yeah?
Yeah. So we're gonna look for a car because, you know, we don't really vlog about everything, but
Something special.
yeah, we just need a new car.
Let's see which brand we're getting and
Yes.
which car, yeah. Because my wife doesn't want the
My
small
face
car.
look fat here because it's not so long like the camera.
Don't look fat. I mean, your face don't look fat.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I mean, also you don't look fat. But
You can drive, huh? Ay nako. So here's the view. See? We're almost there, like what, 3 more minutes?
yes, 3 more minutes.
Yeah.
And there are actually a lot of cars there.
Yeah, because it's a place where you buy cars.
Not just one place, more places.
Cars, yeah, where you buy cars.
Yeah.
How many are we buying?
Let's see. How many do we need?
Yeah.
How many do we want?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, I thought this is the place where we usually it's not. So yeah, today we were supposed to go grocery, but David cannot sleep, so we will go look for a car
I think
today.
here's the place where we usually
And today is July 30. We're just gonna have to say it in advance because
Okay,
we're
yeah.
gonna upload this later.
Yeah,
Here's the date.
A toy helicopter, a tiny bubble blower, toy truck, toy car.
Are you excited to look for cars?
I'm okay.
Oh, why?
I'd rather keep the money.
Oh, I don't.
You give me the money, my sweetie.
Oh, here's the place we usually eat.
Oh, it's here on the right. Okay, let David focus, guys. So I'll do the talking. So yeah, we'll see you later at the place.
That's it, yeah. Wow.
Okay, let's go. Again, let's go. Let's go. Sophia, is that your car? Yeah.
Play with toys.
You like?
What do you play with?
Nice.
Toys.
Bye-bye, baby.
Toys. What do you play with? A toy car.
Guys, I like this car. It's so nice. Yeah. The car I like. Hi, Sophia. Hi.
I don't like
You don't like this?
No.
I like it.
No.
Sophia, where's your head? David doesn't like this. I like this car. Hi, you gonna drive? So Sophia got a car. Ayan kasi, makulit na bata. Mahal mo. This Jeep, the red one.
The white one. Oh, I want that.
This one? How much is that? Like 50K?
44.
Ugh,
Less.
you makulit. You go upo. 20K?
Yeah.
What? So cheap? Why?
Because it's a brand cheap.
Oh,
So that's why it's
the brand is David. I'm so done with your jokes today. Like really. I want this car, but in different color. In another color.
you can sit behind.
Yeah. Grabe, ang mahal nyo, no? 80K almost. So we
we're still
found a
in the
car.
car.
Yes. I'll do the talking because you're driving. I know you're excited. I'll
But yeah,
I'll do the
it
talking.
takes a while, yeah, to order.
Yeah.
Order.
Actually, David said no at first because it's not in the budget, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sophia?
Yeah, I like coffee.
Green car?
Yeah,
Maganda?
melon.
Ha?
Melon.
Melon? Meron? Meron sila green car?
Yeah.
Pero wala sila stocks.
It's up to this.
Yan, nakita ko.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Sophia, malikot kanina?
Milk tea.
Yeah, malikot kanina. Grabe, lahat ng sasakyan gustong pasukin ni Sophia. I wanted to find all cars. Ay, nako. So yeah, we found a car and hopefully we can get this sooner. Hopefully, yeah. Yeah, because David needs it.
Huh?
We'll show them when we get the new car.
Yeah.
Hopefully. So that's the end of our vlog. As usual, we don't end it, so we
This
just
time
end
we
it
did.
fast.
Oh.
Yay!
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe. So guys, it's almost like 12 midnight and someone still. Hey, how could you turn it off? You're annoying. I wanted to close up.
What do you want to say?
You're annoying.
Yeah, okay.
What car are you looking at? Oh, okay.
You want that?
Mm.
You should get that.
You know how many Rolex you can buy me with that?
One. That's true, no?
What? No way. I wouldn't buy that. That's crazy. So we're getting it in pink, right?
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.